think Kat has some questions from you guys. So, Alex is handing them out right now.
I think I actually have to put down my instrument in order to answer this question. That's weird. It's a physical challenge.
Yeah, it's just like bonding.
Don't tell me.
Alright, so I'll go first. Edith from Houston, Texas. Hey, how are you? So Edith's question is, what are some of your favorite things to do during tour? And do you have any special rituals before the show? During tour, I mean, honestly, it's like the traveling is awesome, and to get to do what we love is awesome. But honestly, like I personally just look forward to the show every night. I mean, you kind of live in this like awesome zone for a while where you get to do your absolute most favorite thing every night. So I just like the music. Honestly, I like to play.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed. Although,
Agreed. I like doing the cities.
yeah, the A-Team, me and Alex today, we did a little field trip. We like to see, we all like to experience the city that we're in anytime we have a free minute or an hour to spare. So Alex and I got to see some of Houston today. It was a lot of fun.
Woo!
And there's just the second part to the question, any special rituals? We do. We like to, we usually pray before the show. We all get together and just say a thank you sort of for that we get to do what we love. And then we also have this other sort of like, have you ever watched basketball, like kind of like a sports, like kind of hype up?
You want
kind
to
of
do
thing? I don't think they're ready.
Do it! Woo! Woo! Do it!
We'll say everything
Come
on
on!
DVD.
Yeah, just gets us psyched up for the show. But that's something that happens every night, for sure. So, great questions. Thank you.
Me, you.
Golden.
Go. Johnny Golden at your service. All right. I am not Johnny Golden, by the way. Can you guys hear me okay?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Let me take out my ears, that's better. If you could be a mannequin, how would you pose?
Yes!
I got you.
Wait. Wait.
This is gonna be good. That's cool.
Yes! Air high five for that one.
I'd just be selling a pose, right?
Thank you, Andy.
Okay.
But okay, this is me and you.
Oh yeah, this is our question.
How about
We're going to share this question.
How about I say one word and then you say one word? What
Is
the
one
thing
you
don't
leave
the
bus
without?
That's impressive.
I leave the bus pretty much with nothing I need, which means I always have to go back on the bus. So that's like a bad question for me.
That's true.
I don't leave the bus without gum. Try to, at least. Have gum at all times, I'd say. Mostly.
Yeah, after you do a couple of tours, you kind of just like, you really like trim down all the stuff you think you need. So as long as I have like clothes and like
Yourself.
my stuff that I feel like is like need, like my necklace and things like that, that I'm pretty much good.
I literally have like a 3-point check. I'm like, wallet, cell phone, and I make sure my fly is zipped up. And by the way, I was walking around because there's no worse
I don't
day.
usually do that with
Literally with
me.
my zipper down 100%. It wasn't even halfway.
It's the worst. You have to check. You don't want to leave the bus.
Because these
There's
pants,
that one pair of
especially,
jeans that
sometimes
just
when I
like-
put my hands in my pocket, like it opens. Anyway.
How's that for honesty?
Woo!
All right, and so thank you for your questions. That was a lot of
I
fun.
think we have a special guest coming out right now.
I think so. Do we have a special guest? Is this Casey?
Everybody give it up for Casey.
My best friend.
Casey's got fly style. Give it up for her fly style.
So, wow, that's loud. I like it. That should definitely be loud, Pete. I like it. So we have a couple new little toys on stage here, and the one toy that Alex is introducing Casey to over there is looks like a keyboard, but it's not. And Casey's actually going to record her voice into the keyboard, and then we're going to do a little something with her voice. on the keyboard. And I feel like every time we do this, it's a little different. And tonight, it's going to be even more different. Casey, how do you feel? You ready for this?
I think so.
You look ready.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Casey. You said 3.
No, on 1. So 1, 2.
You said 1, 2, 3. Go.
That was great.
It's good.
Let's try
That's
again.
perfect.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Yeah, so 1, 2,
Casey's
3,
mad,
4.
everybody.
Casey. Unless you want to go 3, 4 times.
Fucking music.
3, 4.
Casey.
That was probably perfect. Let's check the sample.
Casey.
Yes.
Wow.
Casey.
All right.
Casey.
So now we're gonna incorporate Casey band into the song.
Yeah.
It's the first time this has ever happened. So, Alex, you remember like where it comes in?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Don't mess up, bro. Pressure's on.
Casey. Casey. Casey.